Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. The configuration section contains options to select the displayed units of measurement for the speed, distance, time, temperature, fuel consumption, and other factors shown on the cluster. Click Coding Functions. Click Configuration. If the motorcycle is fitted with a flat panel instrumentation display, the configuration options shown may vary, depending on which sport screen and racetrack settings are currently active. Choose whether time is displayed in 12-hour or 24-hour format. Choose which format dates will be displayed in. Choose whether distances will be displayed on the instrument cluster in kilometers or miles, or whether an option to choose either option is available on the instrument cluster. The option to choose between miles and kilometers is useful if the motorcycle is being ridden between national territories that measure speed in miles per hour and kilometers per hour. If the motorcycle is fitted with a flat panel instrumentation display, the vehicle picture option allows you to show a different motorcycle silhouette on the My Vehicle screen. If present, navigation via connected app allows Bluetooth connection of a mobile phone equipped with the BMW Motorrad connected app to the installed flat panel instrumentation display. If present, menu speed lock allows you to choose whether you can switch between display themes and other display sub-functions if the motorcycle is traveling above a configurable vehicle speed. If present, Racetrack Mode Settings menu allows you to choose whether the Racetrack Mode Settings menu is available to be enabled on the instrumentation display. If a flat panel instrumentation display is set to the Sport screen, the Revert to Main Screen option governs the time period after which the display will revert from the Sport screen display back to the factory preset display. Specify how many heated grip heating levels you want in the number of heated grip levels field. The factory default number is 2. You can specify any number of heating levels between 1 and 6. Note that additional options are available to fine-tune the actual heating intensity of each heat level and to link heated seat levels to heated grip levels. To access these options, see the Retrofits and Removals video for Heat pop-up menu. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue.